Guys, and welcome back to the Simmy's Kitchen. On the menu today, I'm just going to be frying up these two snappers I have. I'm going to batter them and deep fry them. So for my seasoning, I have my all-purpose seasoning. I have my adobo, and this one is the lemon pepper flavored one. I also have my green seasoning, and I also have for my batter, this is some flour and cornmeal. I've mixed up together, and I just added in some jerk seasoning, dry jerk seasoning to this, and that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose. I'm only doing like a half a teaspoon because I'm doing the all-purpose and the adobo. So I'm just gonna do like a half a teaspoon of each. Okay. Okay, that's it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a teaspoon of my green seasoning. So I have some oil heating up on my stove, and I'm gonna cook it over medium heat. Fish don't take long to cook. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons, so it'll be a tablespoon and all. It don't take long to cook, so I'm just gonna do it over medium heat. Okay. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up. Okay. Get my seasoning inside. I put some slits in my fish on both sides. And I'm just going to get my seasoning in there. Okay. Get it coated. Get it on the inside. And after I'm finished frying it up, I'm just going to add some of my Jamaican fish seasoning to it. I absolutely love that for fish. It tastes so good. Okay. Now, if you guys wanted to let this marinate overnight, you can. You can do so. You know, it just adds extra flavor to it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasoned cornmeal and flour to this, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasoned cornmeal to this. Okay. Cornmeal and flour. And I use like a coarser cornmeal. They have finer grated cornmeal you could use. You know. Get this coated. Right. Here we are, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off my hands, and I'm going to check my oil, make sure it's nice and hot, and then we're going to fry this up, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my fish to the grease, and this is the seasoning that we're going to put on afterwards. So good. So you want to make sure you get all the excess off your fish. Take your time. So guys, this is not going to take long to cook. It's only going to take about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, depending on how crispy you want your fish. I like mine really crispy, and I'm telling you, this is so flavorful. Now, if you try not to get the fishy smell in your house, my mom told me you could put a couple pieces of garlic in the oil while you frying, and it'll cut the fishy smell in the house. Okay. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn our fish. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's get some help. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook on this side for another 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out and you see how it looks. Okay. Okay guys, I've flipped our fish one more time, and I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Okay. Here we are, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and take them out. Okay guys, our fish is all done. I'm just going to add our seafood seasoning on top. Okay. Add a little parsley. And some lemon juice. Here we are all done. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and thank you guys so much for watching today. Bye.